welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to revamp this hairstyle. This is how it used to look before it got on worn out, and we're just going to zhuzh it up and make it look nice. Alright, so we are going to use the soft dread hair fiber, and this is how it looks. It's free cut. I think it was like 42 rand at Pep. And here I'm going to section it off a third of the braid or the fiber, and I'm going to just take a little piece and I'm going to plait here the hairs in front like this. So I'm not going to plait all the way down. I'm just going to plait about 7 times. I don't know if you guys remember what the Yaki bulk hairstyle used to be. So I'm just going to do that with this fiber, and I'm tying a knot to secure this braid. So I've decided that I'm going to plait 3 of these, and now I'm just sectioning off the last one to plait. So now I'm going to take one full hairpiece and I'm gonna cut that in half, and I'm gonna do the same with this one as well. And with that I'm going to plait the hairs that were detached from the bun here at the back, and I'm going to section them into 3 parts here at the back. So I'm going to do the same. I'm also not going to plait all the way through like I did in the front, and yeah, I'm going to do Yaki bulk style of braiding. And here I'm going to take a pin and attach these soft dread pieces onto the pin like this, and I'm going to clip it on the back of my hair like that. So yeah, just do the same. And I would advise guys that you get black pins. I couldn't get black pins, so I chose the closest, which was navy blue or dark blue pins, and that's what I decided to do over here. And here I am going to detangle this fiber from the previous hairstyle, and that's what you see me doing over there. Then after detangling, I'm gonna do a soft twist and wrap around the bun like this. And here I felt like they were too long and coming in my eyes, so I'm just cutting them off or trimming them off like that. And then I have the last 2 pieces of the soft dread, and I'm going to use bobby pin. I'm gonna attach it inside like this. gonna pin it on the actual bun, but at the bottom of it, and this is to cover those blue hairpins thing going on. And like I said, this wouldn't be a problem if you had black pins, but yeah, you get the drift. So using the pieces that I used to plait on the front, I'm just going to use a smaller bobby pin and attach it around the bun like this to have it dangling like this on the sides like this. And then I'm just going to finish off the look with just defining the edges and a young twirl on the sides like this. So this is the final look. I noticed that the bun is a bit skewed there, and I'm just taking a pen to just level it down like this. I'm seeing another mess there but nothing we can't tuck in, and I'm just going to level it down like this, like that, and voila. So this is the final look, guys. As always, I had lots of fun trying to achieve this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. Did I pull it off? And yeah, man, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.